Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we will explore how to make refined masks for social media designs. Begin by selecting your subject and opening Select and Mask. Switch to Mask Overlay mode to visualize edges clearly. Use a medium-sized brush to refine outlines while keeping shapes clean and bold. Zoom in to remove distractions that may appear small on mobile screens. Adjust feathering slightly for smooth edges without losing impact. Preview the design at actual social media size. Output as a layer mask. Refined masks improve clarity and engagement, so test your designs across platforms.